Hello and welcome friends of our homestead. In this week's video I'd like to show you what you can do with the leftovers from your toast or from other pieces of dry bread. If you don't want to waste it, you could feed it to your critters to make them happy. Or you can feed it to your pets. They are maybe not so happy. Or you can make yourself happy and make breadcrumbs out of it. And if you then make schnitzel out of it, that makes you really happy. And if you are still young enough, you can use that old school tool. I am not so young anymore, so I need something faster to save time because I run out of time. So let us build something faster with more power. For the spacers and the shaft of this little machine I used food grade plastic. The grinding wheels I used for this project I found on Amazon. I put the link for you in the description down below if you are interested in it. They are normal made to carving wood, but in my case they only have to grind dry bread, so they are perfect for this. I like to have so less space as possible between the grinding wheels. I decide to make the spacers a little smaller. I modified the shaft a little that the bearings fits perfect on it. And then I mount all the pieces together. And now we need a housing. If you want to know what's up here on our farm, we post every Sunday a new video on our channel. And if you like our videos and what we do, hit the notification bell and please subscribe for our YouTube channel. Hit only the button in the lower right corner. It costs you nothing, hurts nobody and helps us a lot. And it would be nice if you leave a thumb up for us. And a stand for the whole thing. Made a cutout for the battery drill. After a little modification, I ended up with this version of it. And here is how it works. I made it a little wider so a box fits perfect underneath. And I added a plunger made out of wood so it's safer for the fingers. And I was really surprised how fast you can grind the dry bread. For the same amount I need before, more than 1.5 hours, and everything was done here in 10 minutes. And the good thing at the end is my arm doesn't hurt anymore. I'm still in a good shape. My wife is happy. She had a lot more space, no more dry bread anywhere around in the kitchen, and we have a lot of fresh grinded breadcrumbs. And we saved at least $20 for breadcrumbs this time. The only bad thing is no more dry bread for the critters. That's it for this week's video. Thanks guys for watching it. If you want to support us a little, you can buy us a coffee. I put the link for you in the description down below. Hit the notification bell, please subscribe for our YouTube channel, and we see us next week.